Do you know what this means? We're ready for our
Timothy, you're in my way.
thinking chair. Let's go. Okay. Now that we're in our thinking chair,
Timothy.
think. We really need to figure out what I need to feel better. Our do you think Baby Blue wants me to do the vegetable dance with the spoon and bowl?
Ein großer Junge, der denkt, deswegen kann ich